Hello everyone, today I discuss on the topic of how to reprogram your mind for success. Close your eyes for a moment and think about the life you truly want. Confidence you dream of, the success you know you deserve. Now ask yourself one question. If I have potentials, then why am I still stuck? The problem is not yours background. The problem is not your luck. The problem is not your other people's. The real problem is programming. Your mind has been trained not for success, but for fear, doubts, and limits. Today in the Purneka project, we are not just talking about the motivation, we are talking about rewiring your mind. Because when your thinking changes, your life has no options but to change. What does reprogram your mind means? Your mind works like a computer. From childhood, your parents, your teacher, your society, and past experiences have installed programming in your mind. Program like I'm not good enough, success is very difficult, people like cannot win. Over time you start believing these lines. Reprogram your mind means removing limiting beliefs, installing success beliefs. And the good news is your mind can be changed at any age. Step 1. Become aware of your thoughts. You cannot change what you don't notice. Most people live on autopilot. They think negative thoughts without questioning them. From today, you start observing. How do you talk to yourself? How do you think when you fail? How do you think about your future? When a negative thought appears, pause and ask, is this thought helping me my growth? Awareness is the first step towards a mental freedom. Steps 2. Replace negative self-talk. Your mind believes repetitions. If you repeat, I am weak, I can't do this, most people, your mind accepts it as truth. Instead, replace it with I am learning every day, I am capable to change, I am becoming stronger. Don't wait to feel confident. Speak confidence first. Over time, your mind will follow your words. Step 3. Use daily affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements or positive commands for your subconscious mind. Simple affirmation likes I am focused, I am disciplined, I deserve success, your mind support my goals. Say them after waking up or before sleeping. While working on relaxing, say them slowly, say them with belief. What you repeatedly tell your mind work on proof. Step 4. Visualize your success. Your brain cannot tell the difference between the imagination and reality. So use imagination as a tool. Choose your eyes and visualize your successful future and your confident body language, your peaceful and powerful life. Feel the emotion now and do this for 5 minutes daily. Visualize, train your mind to move forward success naturally. Step 5. Change your environment. Your environment program your thinking. If you stay around negativity, your mind becomes negative. If you consume positive content, your mind grows stronger. Choose wisely. What you watch, what you listen to, what you spend time with. Protect your mind like your future depends on it. Step 6. Take a small action daily. Thinking alone is not enough. Your mind changes faster when you take actions. Small actions, small habits every single day. One page of reading, one step forward, one promise kept. Your action sends a message to your brain, I am serious about my life. Step 7, practice gratitude. Gratitude rewire your brain for abundance. Every day think of 3 things you are thankful for. On hard days, a grateful mind is calm. A calm mind takes things clearly, and clearly thinking creates success. Remember this, you are not born to struggle forever. You are born to rise. Your voice inside your head can destroy your future or design it. From today, choose growth, choose belief, choose progress. Every positive thoughts, every brave actions is rewriting your destiny. This is not motivations. This is a transformation. This is Bhumika project where changes begin within. Thanks for watching.